Good morning, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to take this hand crank winch for my cargo trailer conversion, and we're going to change it into putting a socket on and putting a drill on. For my trailer, I'm always putting it up and down. We always put stabilizing jacks on the front, just your basic car jack, and we have to go up and down four times, 5 times, depending on where we are. And it's a real pain to turn this. Sometimes you got to do it with 2 hands. You can go down real easy, but of course it's a lot up and down and you get tired, so it'd be nice just to stick a drill on this, up, down, and turn it into a power jack. So now we're gonna take off the bolts and decide what size socket we'll go over this, drill a hole through the socket, get a pin so I'll be able to take it on and off so nobody can come up and stick a drill in, lift it up quickly and put it on their car. They'd actually have to make the part in order to do it. So make sure to stay tuned and see how this gets done. First things first, we've got to take off the old handle, which we'll save and leave in the trailer in case of emergency or in case I forget my drill. And I'll leave the bolt and everything attached so it'll be an easy swap. Washer off. There's the bolt out, handle off. And we'll just reassemble this and we'll throw that in the trailer. So we've removed the handle and we are left with a little larger than a 1/2 inch spindle here, and my drill does not fit on it, but it is drilled out here, and that's how you attach the handle. Most of these hand cranks are either on the top or on the side, and you might be able to fit a drill on it. You might be able to just take the handle off, put your drill right on and good to go, or I've seen some of the side ones that come out and then down to the hand crank, and I'm sure you could cut that off and even take a grinder so you can put a drill on the side. What I've done is picked up a 13/16 socket, deep socket, and so that'll fit on there. It'll fit my 1/2 inch impact, and all I need to do is drill a hole through the socket, and that way I can run my pin through this pin, and that'll hold that on there. And then we'll be able to, use the drill, and that'll raise and lower the trailer. So let's go drill this out. Hey everyone, so we're back. We have our deep socket. We drilled a hole through it. The hole matches the hole on the jack here, and so all you have to do is match up your hole. Jordan's going to pass me a bolt. That bolt's going to go through our holes here. Make sure we're lined up. Once we're through, we're going to put a nut on. Let's take my glove off. Quick nut on the back. And that's tight. So we tried using our impact driver, but that was just shredding the bolt and starting to shred the actual top of the socket. It has a lot of power, a lot of torque. So we're going to throw this drill on, get Jordan to back up a little bit. And so you can go up. It's a little harder to go up. And then you can go down. Down's obviously a lot easier. But you can see much easier than the hand crank. And then when you're done, unthread your bolt, pop your bolt out, take your socket out, keep those two pieces together. That goes in your trailer. It makes it a lot harder for someone to come and steal your trailer because it's missing the handle. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Come on, Jordan.
Please like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day!